Hello, and welcome to this video on how to use ChatGPT well. ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can be used to answer a variety of questions and help solve problems. In this video, we will show you how to use ChatGPT effectively and efficiently. First, to use ChatGPT, you need a computer or mobile device with an internet connection. You can access ChatGPT by visiting the OpenAI website or by using one of the third-party applications that support ChatGPT integration, like Discord or Slack. When using ChatGPT, it is important to ask clear and specific questions. The clearer your question, the more likely you are to get an accurate and useful answer. Avoid vague or general questions, as this may lead to unnecessary or inaccurate answers. Next, be sure to provide ChatGPT with all the relevant information it needs to answer your question. For example, if you are asking about a specific topic, provide details such as the author's name, publication date, title of the book, etc. The more information ChatGPT has at its disposal, the more accurate and complete its response will be. It is also important to keep in mind that ChatGPT is not always perfect. It can sometimes provide inaccurate or incomplete answers, especially if the question is complex or ambiguous. In these cases, it is best to rephrase the question or look for other sources to find a more accurate answer. Finally, feel free to explore ChatGPT's advanced features such as text generation or interactive dialogue. These features can be useful for creative projects or for exploring ideas in greater depth. In summary, to use ChatGPT well, ask clear and precise questions, provide all relevant information, keep in mind its limitations, and explore the advanced features. We hope you found this video helpful in learning how to use ChatGPT effectively and efficiently. Thank you for watching.